Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Photoshop is a powerful tool for all kinds of photo editing, and one of the most fun and creative features is the ability to swap faces, whether you are working on a project or just having some fun. Today, I will show you how to easily swap faces in Photoshop. This step-by-step guide is designed to make the process simple, even if you are new to Photoshop. First, start by opening both the images you want to work with in Photoshop. Make sure the images are similar of size and resolution to ensure a more natural looking swap. You can do this by dragging and dropping the images into Photoshop or using the file menu to open them. With the image of the face you want to swap selected, use the lasso tool to draw rough selection around the face. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to include all the features like the eyes, nose, and mouth. Next, switch to the other image and paste this to the new image. Use the move tool to position the face over the existing face on the second image. You may need to resize or rotate the face slightly to match the angle and the size of the underlying face. To make the face blend naturally with the rest of the image, apply a layer mask to the face layer. Use a soft brush with black color to gently erase the edges of the pasted face. Finally, fine-tune the color and lighting of the face to match the surrounding skin tones. Use adjustment layers like hue or saturation, brightness or contrast, and curves to match the skin tones and lighting between the two images. And that is how you easily swap faces in Photoshop. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.